Gusto ko lang linawin yung, siyempre they were complaining really about yung pong exchange Particularly doon sa sagot po ni Attorney Ferrer na relating to misleading questions, hindi ba? But, the transcript is very clear. Hindi lang naman ho kami inside the trial, yung pong nakapanood po nun. Everyone else here, and the public itself, was able to see it. Hindi ba? And the transcript is very clear. Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination. Misleading questions are not allowed on cross. That was Attorney Kapunan. And what did Attorney Ferrer say? They are allowed. So, ibig ko po sabihin, wala akong pwedeng sisihin yung pong depensa dito, except yung mga sarili po nila, mga kaibigan. Kasi, kung very sharp to the draw, yung pong defense on the conversation and the tit for tat during the trial itself, Ms. Ferrer would know na hindi ho yun yung dapat niyang sinagot nung pong panahon na yun. But Attorney Sison wanted to provide context, then that was the context that she wanted to provide. But again, going back to the transcript itself, the reply of Ms. Ferrer to Attorney Kapunan was, it was allowed, relating to, basically responding to misleading questions. So, everyone was basically understanding na tungkol po doon sa misleading questions po, yung sagot ni Attorney Ferrer. Hindi ba? So, kumbaga, do not gaslight the nation that kasalanan po ni Attorney Ligutan kung bakit ho pumutok sa mukha po ng depensa ito pong bagay na ito. They should have been quick on the draw. They should have clarified that she was answering not the question on misleading statements or misleading questions, but on something else. Dapat ginawa na niya yun noong umpisa pa lang. No, it was the job of Attorney Ferrer to basically clarify what she was actually replying to. Hindi ba? Pwede naman niya sinabi yun Di ba? Ano naman ho siya? Sabi niyo nga, feisty ho yung exchange. No? I think she can hold up to Attorney Kapunan. Hindi ba? But she did not make that clarification there and then. Why did she actually have to wait for Attorney Sison to provide the context for the record? Hindi ba? When the exchange was very clear. Hindi po ba?